English by screen. Lesson 8.
Kwigira icyongereza kuri ekara. Isomo rya 8.
Topic 1.
Igika cya mbere.
In the shop.
Mu iduka.
Hello young boy. What's your job?
Komera wa musore we. Ukora kahe kazi?
I am a broker.
Ndi umuhuza.
What does a broker do?
Umuhuza ashinzwe iki?
He connects the buyer and the seller.
Ahuza umuguzi n'umucuruzi.
Now, where is the cheapest shop in Matthews Quarter?
Ngaho iduka rihendutse riherereye muri quartier Matthews.
There it is, behind the traffic lights. It is a supermarket. Ngiririya inyuma y'ibyapa by'umuriro. Iryo duka ni supermarché.
What can I find there?
Ushobora kubona mu iki?
In the supermarket, there are different kinds of articles such as
Muri supermarket hari ibicuruzwa by'ubwoko bwinshi kandi binyuranye. Ibyo ni nka
shoes and clothes,
inkweto n'imyenda,
food items, and many types of drinks,
ibiribwa n'ibinyobwa by'amoko yose,
kitchenware,
ibikoresho byo mu gikoni,
construction tools,
ibikoresho by'ubwubatsi,
bed sheets and blankets,
amashuka ndetse n'uburingiti,
bags and mattresses,
amasakoshi n'amagodoro,
electronic materials,
ibikoresho bya electronique,
spare parts of vehicles,
pièces de rechange z'amamodoka,
radios and flat irons,
amaradiyo n'amapasi
and so on.
n'ibindi byinshi.
Thank you very much.
Urakoze cyane.
Let me go and look at them.
Ndeka ngende nirebere.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Urabeho ugire umunsi mwiza.
Lesson 8. Topic 2.
Isomo rya 8 igika cya kabiri.
Colors.
Amabara.
Dear Claude, what kind of colors do you know?
Nshuti yanjye Claude, ni ubuhe bwoko bw'amabara uzi?
I know 10 types of colors.
Nzi ubwoko 10 bw'amabara.
Those are
Ayo ni
white,
umweru,